Well, this is the day after. Last night during the night, of course, we lost the electricity. The whole yard was covered in leaves, and of course my husband came out here. He couldn't wait and had to clean it up right away. So, as you can see, I mean, not a lot of damage, but definitely lost trees, branches, quite a few big trees down in the woods. Oh, like I said before, you could hear them falling. Ow. You got all the big branches off the driveway. It's just breezy out right now. Thank God it's not hot. It's drizzling still. Who knows when we'll have our electricity back on. But we're still standing. I hope everybody else did okay. And then the big tree that was hanging over last night is still there. We can't get any TV, so we can't find out what's going on in the rest of the area. I hope New York, even though that's all we heard about yesterday, I hope they did okay. I hope they're doing okay. And to everyone else out there, good luck. If it's still coming your way. And hopefully everybody will do well out of this. All right. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.